Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. More than 90 years ago, Milwaukee was a hotspot for tanning, and all of the leather used for harnesses by the U.S. Armed Services came from the Milwaukee tanning community. In fact, the name Hydrite is a creatively spelled expression that came from the idea that using their chemicals would tan the hide right. Today, Hydrite Chemical Company is one of the largest and most respected providers of chemicals and related services in the United States. From a history of tanning leather, Hydrite's industrial applications have grown to offer expertise in chemical distribution, food and dairy sanitation, food ingredients, organic processing, liquid sulfur salts, agricultural products, water treatment, foam control chemistry, and compliance management. Hydrite's specialty and manufactured products are used in many of the items we use and consume daily. Hydrite makes and supplies the ingredients that make our food and beverages more flavorful, the chemicals to improve water quality, the fertilizers to help crops grow, and the cleaners and sanitizers used in the food industry to ensure food safety and enhance the quality of our food supply. Making sustainability an important aspect of your day-to-day operations can help secure the future of your business. Hydrite believes in protecting today's and tomorrow's environment. Hydrite strives to be a no-landfill company. With 9 plant locations across the nation in Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, Indiana, California, and Texas, Hydrite is well positioned to service and exceed the needs of their customers. Do it right with Hydrite at hydrite.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.